The most difficult portion of the autonomous mobility era is going to be how can a vehicle maneuver itself in a completely controlled and automated fashion in very tight spots across four-way stop signs, where you have construction zones, where you have pedestrians, where you have bicyclists, and a traffic pattern that's not always predictable.
Where traffic laws and the general environment are still pose a challenge even to the most developed automated technologies. Imagine, for example, driving a fully automated car through a mid-sized city in India, where the roads are being shared between motorcycles, bicycles, rickshaws, cars, buses, trucks, and even animals on the road. These are challenges for which most technologies, most companies are not yet prepared. So it will take much longer for automated mobility to really arrive in those regions.
One of the biggest challenges is how do we face the general public and how do we have them embrace this technology so that they feel more comfortable. Think of it, if you get into a car and there is no driver, the first thing that comes into mind is this thing reliable? Is this thing going to take me to where I want? I mean, can I trust it? Is it safe? And that's not very uncommon because that's human psychology.
The software is still a bigger challenge, getting 100% of all the different use cases worked out in order to make sure that the systems are completely foolproof, are completely 100% safe. That will take certainly much longer. And I think it's important for the systems to be perfectly safe before they are released out into the road.
Testing on public roads, first of all, is not safe for the general public. Second, is not very efficient. So a lot of the time, driving and interacting with other vehicles are sort of non-eventful, boring, safe. But most of the crashes are happening because of the wrong decision by a human driver, pedestrian, and so forth. Therefore, in theory, we would like to make sure that the testing that we are conducting are focusing on the eventful, dangerous, risky events rather than just circling on public roads, trying our chances.